Well, in my little minivan, I've got a hatch here that I keep a lot of my stuff in. And on each side I had put, it's supposed to be a 54-pound strut support, but it doesn't hold it up, and then it'll BAM! So I think there's a simpler solution, and let me get it. And then what I replaced it with is one marine spring hatch support. And you just gotta hit it and it'll just go back down, pull it back up, then it'll catch on its own. But I don't have to wait on the slow bang at the end. I can make my own bang. You just have to touch it in the middle and that's it. And then what I replaced it with is a marine spring hatch support. Stainless steel spring. You just hit it, let it down. You don't have to wait on the big slam on the struts. And you only have to use one.